Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul. Yes, I know, a CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to CVS. Yes, I went early because, y'all, I had to go into the office today at my job because my computer was acting up at home. Because we had some rain, we had hail here. It was just crazy. So I said when I get out from work, I just shoot on by CVS. I was ready to go by Walgreens, but I was a little upset because my CVS haul came up a little bit more than what I was expecting. Like $4 more than what I was expecting, but that's all right. So I took care of that. But I will be I might bring you all a Walgreens haul when I do it this week. And I'm thinking about doing a Dollar General haul too. I might do that tomorrow before I go and do something when I get off from work. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this video because I know you come for the video. You didn't come for me to be talking, telling you what I'm going to do and everything. So the first thing I did was the Scott 1000 tissue. Okay. We did get a $1 off coupon. Now you can either get the Scott 1000 or you can get the paper towel. But I thought on coupons.com, there was a $1 off digital coupon. I did not check in store, which I should have before I did it. But I went ahead and just purchased both of these Scott's 1000s because I know they will be gone. I don't like this tissue personally because to me, it's too daggone thin. It's too thin. And I don't like it. My family don't even care for it. So I went ahead and got this. When you purchase, these are $9.99. When you purchase, when you spend $20, you get a $5 extra buck back. And I did get my $5 extra buck. Now, it does not come up to $20, but if your store is a percentage store that actually, longest is, I think it's 90%, I believe that's what it is, 90% close to the amount on certain items, certain things, they'll go ahead and give you the extra buck. So I went ahead and got this. So I got my $5 extra buck, and I'll show you at the end. The next thing I got was this CVS Health 5-minute whitening. It's a whitening gel, okay? And it's got the tray in there too. Now, you can do this 2 times on your card. They are, let me see, this is $7.59, but you get back a $10 extra buck back. So they only had one because I was looking for it. I was like, where is it? And there it was scooted back a little bit. So I said, okay, I'll go ahead and get this, and I'll probably go to another store this week and pick up the second one, because this is like a money maker. It's like $7.59, but you know, everybody's store is different prices, and then you get a $10 extra buck back. So it's actually free and a money maker, okay? So the next thing I did was the Dove. The Dove was, I think it's when you buy 2 Dove, you get a $4. No, it's not a 4. Hold on, let me see. It's not a 4. It is, oh, it's a $5 extra buck. Now you can get 2 Doves if you want to, or I think you can get the deodorant too. But I went ahead and got this 1 Dove and then also 1 Dove Body Love, or you could have got 2 Body Loves. But I got 1 and 1 because on Shopkicks it's giving you back, I think it's 1,200 kicks. No, I forgot how many kicks it's giving back because I got other things that are in my transactions that is gonna give me some points back off of Shopkick. But this one gives you back, I forgot how many points. I'm so sorry, I forgot how many points. But look on your, if you got Shopkicks, look on your Shopkicks and you can go, because these are, the Dove is buy one, get one 50% off, and you get a $5 extra buck here at CVS. But then you can take your receipt and submit it to Shopkicks, okay? So then the next thing is the Axe. The Axe is also buy one, get one, 50% off, and you get back a $4 extra buck. But you can go on Ibotta, and I'm waiting for my money to come back on there. And this right here, this one, the body wash is $3, I believe. And you could have got this one and then got a fine one of the spray, or you could have got 2 body washes. But my store only had 1 body wash of the fine product of this right here. So I got this one, and then I went over and got this one. This one is just the regular Axe, and you can get $2 from Ibotta on that. So anyway it went, I got money back. So I got $3 from this one that I'm supposed to, and then I'm supposed to get $2 from this. And then when you buy 2 of them, because they buy one, get one, 50% off, you get back a $4 extra book back, okay? And then also, your whole receipt, you can submit that to Fetch. I haven't submitted to Fetch yet to see, because my Dove, I guess I'm doved out on Fetch, because it really don't give me like the big bonuses like it used to. So I guess I'm doved out and also axed out, excuse me, axed out on Fetch. Then the next thing I got was these Oral-B Healthy Clean, okay? Now we have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is on our card, okay? On your app or for CVS. And these right here scan for it. These Oral-B Healthy Cleans. These are $1.39, but you want to pick up 4 of them. You don't want to pick up 3 because 3 is going to be short and it's not going to come off because it's $5. And this is, it won't ring up too close. It won't ring up over $5. So you have to pick up 4. So 4 of them, I think is $5.25. So my $5 came off, so I only paid 25 cents for all 4 of them. You can't beat that, okay? So then the next thing I got was the U by Kotex. There's no coupons for this. These are $1. Let's see, how much was these? $1.79, but you can submit it to Shopkicks and get some kicks back off of this. Also, you can submit it to Fetch and get some money from points from that too. So then the last thing I got was the Shea Moisture. The Shea Moisture, it is, they are buy one, get one, 50% off. I believe the Shea Moisture like that. Let me double check. Hold on. No. The Shea Moisture, is it buy one? Oh my goodness. Where is it at? No, the Shea Moisture you paying regular price. It's just if you spend 20, you get $10 off. Okay, you get. I said $10 off. If you spend 10, you get if you spend 20, let's back it up, y'all. Lord Jesus, if you spend $20, you get $10 back. Okay, so what I did was, I know the price of these did not come all the way up to 20. It came over 20. I'm sorry. It came over $20. And so I spent over 20 and I got my $10 extra buck back. Okay. But the whole thing of it is there was coupons for this. There was a $6 off of 2 and there was a $6 off of 2 digital coupon, which both of them came off, making it really good. I forgot to let you all know on the Axe, there is a $2 off digital coupon. I had those $2 off Axe coupons, but they would not scan. I don't know why they would not. So I went ahead and clipped my digital, and my digital, I believe my digital came off. And then on the Dove, I had 2 of the Doves also. I had one that was a digital, and then I had the paper one that, you know, you can get in the stores that on in front of the Dove, they have those little tar pads, okay? So, after she rung up everything, I put my number in. No, Lord, I said put my number in. I think When she rung up everything, she had scanned my card anyway, but when she rung up everything, everything came off except for this one axe. I don't know what happened. I don't know if something else was triggering it to go to something else that it would not come off, but I just told her don't worry about it. And then I forgot something else did not come off. I'm thinking both of my refunds. Both of them, I think, didn't come off, but I think my digital ended up coming off anyway for one, okay? So, after I paid everything, my subtotal was $25.54, and I used the gift card, and then also I paid some out of pocket. And then, you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. And then I will show you. My receipt's long, y'all. It is really long. Oh, and I'm sorry. I had a 10 off of 70. I did have a 10 off of 70 going in. And the 10 off of 70 did come off. I am so sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place. But my 10 off of 70 did come off. So let me show you my receipt. So there's everything, everything, and everything. Here are my coupons. And see, the Scott came off, the Oral Care, the Axe, that came off, the Shea Moisture, that double dip, because there's the Shea Moisture Digital, and then there's the $6 manufacturer coupon. There's my 10 off of 70, and then that's the amount that I wrote in. I think it was like $28. I think I wrote in $28. And then there is my subtotal. Okay. And then let's see. My today's savings was $75.02 was today I saved. It was a 75% savings. And then there's my $4 for my Axe. My $5 for my Dove. My $10 for my Shea Moisture. My $10 for my whitening, CVS whitening. And then my $5 for my Scott. So, this right here, and y'all look at this long coupon, just long. This right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.